Now let's take a closer look at our ND-BD003. It is designed with simplicity in mind, and its buttons and features are user-friendly. You can see here, these are the buttons to operate this anti-drone gun. First up, the button on the outside right here is the power button. A simple press and you will turn on the system. Right next to it, we have the GNSS button. This button can be used to jam the navigation frequency band. And then there is this knob right here, which is used to select the jamming communication frequency bands. ND-BD003 isn't just about the basics. It is all about versatility. It can jam not only the most common drone frequency bands like 2.4 GHz, 5.8 GHz, and GPS of 1, but it also allows for user-defined frequency bands. This means you can counter drones using uncommon bands too. At the behind of the system, you can also find the system status indicators. Now, on the side of ND-BD003, you will find a LED screen. It is like your display center, providing you with essential information about the device's status and the targeted drones. And then there is the mounted mobile phone. You might be wondering, what is the deal with the phone? Well, it gives you access to app control platform, which allows operators to set parameters and check detected drone information, including drone model, frequency point, angle, distance, etc., facilitating further analysis. So that's a quick tour of the buttons and features of ND-BD003, showing you how user-friendly and versatile this anti-drone gun really is.